ஹலோ நண்பர்களே, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா, 2 பர்சன்ஸ்க்கு இடையில நடக்கக்கூடிய கான்வர்சேஷன்ஸ் பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். இதில் வரக்கூடிய கொஷின்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸை கவனமாக பாருங்கள். ஏன் அப்படின்னா, வீடியோவோட எண்டில் நீங்களும் நானும் கான்வர்சேஷன் பண்ண போகிறோம். இதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய சேம் கொஷின்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் தான் பண்ண போகிறோம். அதனால் வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் ஃபுல்லாக பாருங்கள். அண்ட் லெட்ஸ் கெட் ஸ்டார்டட் வித் த ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம சேனலை நீங்கள் இன்னும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாமல் இருக்கீங்கன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. வேர் ஆர் யூ ஃப்ரம்? வேர் ஆர் யூ ஃப்ரம்? ஐ ஆம் ஃப்ரம் மதுரை. ஐ ஆம் ஃப்ரம் மதுரை. வாட் டு யூ டூ? வாட் டு யூ டூ? I am a student. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in India. I live in India. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. How are you? How are you? I am good. Thank you. I am good. Thank you. What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? I enjoy playing hockey. I enjoy playing hockey. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I love curd rice. I love curd rice. Are you married or single? Are you married or single? I am married. I am married. I am single. I am single. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have siblings. Yes, I have siblings. How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have one younger brother and I don't have sister. I have one younger sister and I don't have brother. What is your hobby? What's your hobby? My hobby is reading book. My hobby is reading book. What's your nationality? What's your nationality? I am an Indian. I am an Indian. What's your telephone number? What's your telephone number? My telephone number is 1 2 3 4. What does your father do? What does your father do? My father is a civil engineer. My father is a civil engineer. What does your mother do? What does your mother do? My mother is a teacher. My mother is a teacher. What do you want to become? What do you want to become? I want to become a doctor. I want to become a doctor. What is your dream job? What is your dream job? My dream job is a doctor. My dream job is a doctor. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is Niveta. My best friend is Niveta. Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. Yes, I enjoy cooking. What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Diwali. My favorite holiday is Diwali. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Yes, I can swim. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog named Happy. Yes, I have a dog named Happy. Can you ride a bicycle? Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can ride a bicycle. Yes, I can ride a bicycle. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? I like reading books in my free time. I like reading books in my free time. I like watching movies in my free time. I like watching movies in my free time. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is on January 2nd. My birthday is on January 2nd. Where were you born? Where were you born? I was born in Chennai. I was born in Chennai. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? I have 2 children. I have 2 children. What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? I speak only one language. I speak only one language. It's Tamil. I speak 3 languages: Tamil, English, and Hindi. I speak 3 languages: Tamil, English, Hindi. Where is your wife? Where is your wife? She is in the living room. She is in the living room. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is watching television. She is watching television. Where is your brother? Where is your brother? He is in his bedroom. He is in his bedroom. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is sleeping. He is sleeping. What is wrong with him? What is wrong with him? He is sick. He is sick. Would you mind opening the window? Would you mind opening the window? It would be my pleasure. It would be my pleasure. What will you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow? I will go to the theater with my family. I will go to the theater with my family. Do you know Nikita? Do you know Nikita? Sure, I know her. We were friends since our childhood. Sure, I know her. We were friends since our childhood. Is this yours? Is this yours? Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine. When will he be back? When will he be back? He will be back in 20 minutes. He will be back in 20 minutes. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? Yes, I can drive a car. Yes, I can drive a car. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm just watching TV. I'm just watching TV. இப்போ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் உங்களுடைய டர்ன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷின் நான் கேட்குறேன். அதுக்கு சென்டென்ஸாக ஸ்க்ரீனில் வரும். நீங்கள் அதை பார்த்தே ரிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள். Now we will start with the first one. Where are you from? What do you do? Where do you live? Nice to meet you. How old are you? How are you? What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite food? Are you married or single? ஓ நீங்கள் எனக்கு கொஷின் கேளுங்க, நான் அதுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணுறேன். லெட்ஸ் கெட் ஸ்டார்ட் வித் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன். எஸ், I have siblings. My hobby is reading book. I am an Indian. My best friend is Niveta. ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இது மாதிரியான கான்வர்சேஷன் வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட்ஸில் சொல்லுங்கள். அண்ட் இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஒரு லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.